Let's revise a little bit about the present tenses, the present simple and the present continuous. We already know that both of these tenses are used to talk about things that happen in the present, but there is a little difference. When we want to talk about activities that happen regularly, like I always go to school at 8 o'clock or we never eat in the living room, when we want to talk about some kind of habits, they usually wear uniforms at work or he never eats chocolate, some kind of general truths like 1 hour has 60 minutes or the earth goes around the sun. Or finally some certain personal characteristics like she speaks very good French or my mother plays the guitar, we always use the present simple. But if we want to talk about activities that are happening at the moment of speaking or temporary actions like look, someone is trying to steal your bike or you can go outside, it's not raining anymore, some kind of future plans and arrangements like our grandparents are visiting us for Christmas or we're having a birthday party on Friday, we always use the present continuous. You will now do a few exercises about the two tenses.